What's up, guys? This is part 2 of the S10 Teardown. Last video we got the bumper, everything off the front end, ready to get this fender off in this video. So hopefully everything goes well. Alright guys, one auto parts store run later and we had to pick up some tools. I had to get a nut splitter, which I've never used before, for this bolt right here because it has the back washer nut thingy is broken and it's just turning. So I got to get that off somehow to get this fender off, and then after that it should be just 2 bolts right back here and we should have this fender off. And we should be ready to move on to the next step. One fender off, 1 to go. We got, gosh, we got it off, man. That took a minute, but we got it off. I'm gonna have to put the inner fender back on just to put the battery right down here just so I can still drive it if I need to move it. But we have made a lot of progress. Got it off. It's a little bit more difficult than the other side because this back washer in multiple places, right here and right here and right here, decided to break and just freely spin, so had to battle those, but we got it off. And I'm not sure entirely what the next step is for the teardown process, but we got a bed full of parts, so I'm pretty happy with the work that I've accomplished today. And I will see y'all in part 3.